Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable the examiner, Mr. Rizky Gushendra and also Mr. Nuardi. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Rohairiyah. In this occasion, I would like to explain about my research proposal under the title Exploring Students' English Listening Test Anxiety at English Education Department of Sultan Syarif Qasim State Islamic University of Riau. Background of the problem. First, listening is a crucial skill in English learning. Many students experience anxiety in listening tests. Anxiety may influence students' performance. Therefore, this study investigates students' listening test anxiety. We're going to research gap. Most of the previous research only focus on the effect listening anxiety on students' listening performance. However, studies that specifically investigate students' listening anxiety in English listening test context are still limited. Identification and limitation of the problem. First, for identification, the identification is previous studies have reported that listening anxiety can negatively affect students' listening comprehension and performance. Even students from the English Education Department who are expected to have adequate English proficiency still experience anxiety during listening tests. This condition indicates that listening anxiety in English listening test context is a real problem that needs further investigation. And the limitation of the problem is to investigating students' listening anxiety during English listening tests. The participants of this study are students of the English Education Department who have taken English listening tests. Okay, we're going to the formulation and purpose of the problem. The formulation is what form of listening anxiety are experienced by English Education Department students during English listening tests. The purpose of this problem is to explore the forms of listening anxiety that experienced by English education students during English listening tests. The theoretical framework first is listening anxiety. According to Roya, 2014, listening anxiety as a distinct complex of self-perceptions, belief, feelings, and behavior related to classroom language learning arising from the uniqueness of the language learning process. Then, according to Bahman 2014, the language anxiety as a specific anxiety reaction, meaning that an individual's reaction and feeling are due directly to the scenario of learning a language. The students might experience uneasiness, frustration, self-doubt, apprehension, and tension while listening to English oral text. We're going to the definition of listening test. A listening test is a methodical tool that used to assess the ability of learners in a specific subject. A test is used as a method of evaluating a person's performance in order to make conclusion about their competency, such as defined by Brown 2004. Tests are crucial instruction in language education for assessing students' goals and guiding educational choices. The listening test is one particular kind of language evaluation that focuses on evaluating students' comprehension of spoken language. According to Bach 2001, a listening test is to evaluate how students use language knowledge and contextual awareness to comprehend spoken material in context. Second theoretical framework is a kind of listening anxiety. According to Arjuliva 2019, there are two types of listening anxiety, classified based on the severity. First is facilitating and also debilitating. It's also known as low anxiety and high anxiety. And after that, we're going to factor that cause listening anxiety. According to Jones Folkley, 1998, she has categorized the sources of listening anxiety into three. First is instructor factors, second is students, and the last is listening material related factors. And also Muhammad and Neni 2022, they divide the factors into major categories. First is internal factors and also external factors. This classification is considered more relevant to the present research because it's clearly distinguished between students' internal psychological barriers and environmental or technical influences during listening tests. The last is strategy to reduce. According to Muhammad 2022, there are several ways to reduce the listening anxiety. The first is preparation, second is relaxation, third is positive thinking, and the last is peer seeking. Okay, we're going to relevant studies. First is by Arini Nurul, 2020. Under the title is Foreign Language Listening Anxiety in Academic Listening Class. Second is by Nani Nur Hamidah, 2020. Under the title Exploring Factors Causing Listening Anxiety on Generation Z Students. The last is by Anita Jones Fogley, 1998, under the title Listening Comprehension Anxiety, Students Report Sources and Solution. And here's the conceptual frameworks. Okay, to research method. This research is used descriptive qualitative research design located in English Education Department of UIN Riau. The participant of this research is 6 semester students or class of 2023 of the English Education Department who had taken listening courses and English listening tests. And technique of collecting data is by interview. And data analysis technique, the researcher will use the Miles and Huberman 1994 model, which consists of 3 steps that are data reduction, data display, and the last in conclusion, drawing or verification. Okay, maybe until here my presentation today. Thank you for your kind attention and sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.